During the pandemic, we're sharing this special video each month to honor outstanding staff members. Today we're here and happy to recognize December's Excel Employee of the Month. The winner of the award is Jeff Dudas, a Senior Technical Systems Analyst in Clinical and Business Systems. Jeff has been an employee since 2018. His colleagues say he has been an instrumental addition to the SMH team since his arrival. He enthusiastically takes on new projects and uses his expertise and leadership skills to make positive impact on the organization. Jeff is also a great communicator, outstanding team player, and a wonderful listener who always has a positive attitude. Jeff has led many projects and has helped with the health system run smoothly, including the rollout of an expense reimbursement system, a capital project costing system, and a mobile supply chain system. He also has been responsible for a large portion of the PeopleSoft finance system and for our new Venice hospital. His skill in creating a plan of action and following through are exceptional. Jeff, you're truly the definition of what an Excel employee is, and we very much appreciate your contribution to this community and to this hospital. Thank you and congratulations. So the Excel Award. Excel recipients are employees who are models of excellence and consistently demonstrate the mission, value, and vision of our organization. They are superior performers that make an extra effort in the quality of care for our patients and families in the community. The hospital board and administrative staff of Sarasota Memorial Healthcare System recognizes Jeff Dudas with the Excel Award for the month of December 2020. Jeff, thank you for everything. It's signed by both myself as President and CEO and Mr. Jim Meister, who is our board chairman. And congratulations.
I wish to thank everyone who nominated me. It's a true honor, and I appreciate it. I love being an employee here. I know how important the hospital is to the community, and I love being part of that, being able to contribute to the hospital and support everyone here. So it's truly a great honor. And for those who don't know, I am part of clinical and business systems, and I help support what most people know as my finance and my HR, and that's what our team does. It's everything from the servers to the infrastructure, the middleware. We patch it, we deploy the code, we sometimes create our own code, we customize the code, we do it all to keep the systems up and running and secure and reliable and on every day of the year. So it's a lot of work, and our team, I think, does a really good job. My part, what I work on, is my finance. And even that is huge. It's requisitioning, purchasing, receiving, returns, assets, general ledger, finance, payables, inventory, mobile inventory, items, suppliers. It's millions of lines of code we're responsible for, and we keep it up and running and for the employees. And I think what's unique about our systems, they're employee-facing. Everything we do, from my HR and my finance, employee-facing. So we're literally supporting everyone here at the hospital with these systems, and it's a big responsibility, and we take it seriously. But that's software and hardware, which is interesting in and of itself, but it's kind of half the story. I think what's interesting, what we get to do, we get to work on business process. And I think that's probably the reason why we're all here today, is we can really drive business process at the hospital and improvements and efficiencies. We take old business processes, things we've done, people don't even remember how long or why we do it, but we do it. And we ask why, and can we do it better? Can we make it more efficient? Can we automate parts of it? Can we take paper parts and turn them into workflow? And that's what we really do, and that's working with the supply chain group, the finance group, the administration, nursing, FPG. We've really touched all these groups, and we continue. Our work is not done, so we have a lot to do still. So again, I appreciate it. I also appreciate the team I work with. Again, I would not be here without my team. They're a great, great team. Svetlana, Jeff, Pam all support us very well and give us everything we need to do our job. So again, shout out to them. I think everyone does a great job, and our work is appreciated too, which is nice. So finally, and it's not just us and our team, I realize there's a lot of employees behind us who support us, make our job possible, and there's dozens, if not hundreds, behind us, and I appreciate it. And I appreciate being able to support all the employees so they can do their job, support the mission of the hospital, and support our patients. So again, just thanks everyone.
Hey, thanks again for everyone taking time to help celebrate our Excel Award winner for December, Jeff. Jeff, congratulations again. Well deserved, and we would be hard pressed without you being here. I just want to take a moment to thank all of our staff for continuing to persevere in this pandemic and keep taking care of our patients and staying safe themselves. We wish you a happy holiday season. I want to just remind everyone to keep wearing a mask. Please keep social distance and keep washing your hands. We really think that we're starting to turn the corner in this, and the vaccine will hopefully be out in a very short order. And we look forward to seeing you all in a very healthy 2021.